Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. We're gonna try to make our own ranch today, okay? So do the best you can. If you don't want to do this, just go ahead and get you some ranch. We're gonna do a cup of mayo, a half a cup of sour cream, 2 teaspoons of parsley, 2 teaspoons of dill, 2 teaspoons of black pepper, or a little more, 2 teaspoons of salt, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, a teaspoon of lime juice, a 1/4 cup of buttermilk. Now this is just going to be on your consistency, okay? So we're going to mix this and we're going to see where we at. See if we need to add some more buttermilk. See, depends on how you like your ranch. If you like it like this, it's good. I'm going to do a little bit more buttermilk. Sorry, I said buttercream. Now, that's pretty much good. Now we're just gonna taste it and see where the flavor is at. Oh, that's good. That's good. Yeah, we just gonna dip the whole thing in the ranch. Okay, y'all, this is it. Very simple, nothing to it, y'all. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget that the grocery list is in the description below. Let me know what y'all want to cook, what y'all want to see, what y'all want to learn.
Hit that subscribe button!